Hi, I'm Tina Brinkley-Potts, and this is how to use media to teach persuasive techniques. Persuasion is when you want to influence others' beliefs, intentions, or their actions. And in the media, there are a lot of different ways that we technically use video, audio, and even written form to persuade. According to Aristotle, there are three means of persuasion: ethos, pathos, and logos. So the first one, ethos, is really about the credibility of the speaker. And one of the ways that we determine that in media and online today is by how many subscribers do you have? Like, for instance, this LinkedIn screen that I have up, you actually can see that this person has 34,000 connections. That's important when you're looking at that person because you're thinking, wow, if there are 34,000 people connected to this person, then they must be credible. The second one is about the logical approach. And I'm using Yelp as a great example for this because 4 out of 5 people actually go to Yelp before they spend money to find great restaurants or establishments that they really want to use. And if you know that 4 out of 5 people go there, you are inclined to use it too. That is a great way of using logic in order to persuade. And the final, which is my favorite, is how now to use emotion in order to persuade. And Apple had a phenomenal video that they put out during the holidays in which there was a teenager who was actually on his phone when all of the family was gathered. And most people thought he was not really participating in the gathering, but he was actually taking photos, making a slide for the whole family to watch. And before the end of that video, your tears would probably be coming as well.